to my art class. Are you missing your school?
Yes, ma'am. You need one empty matchbox, waste cutouts of any paper of different colors, one bottle cap, Fevicol, scissor, cutouts of glitter sheets if you have, ribbons, pencil and stickers. You can use bindis also. Okay children, so now let's start. Open your matchbox and keep this aside. Now take one paper of any color, okay, and place it here. Now just see what I'm doing. Just keeping my matchbox on the paper and draw a line like this. Then draw again line. We have got this. Now fold it and cut this. Children, you can take help of your parents to cut it. So I have got this and we will paste it over our matchbox. For this thing also, you can take help of your parents. So children, we have covered our matchbox with a blue paper. So I am having some stickers. I will paste it. If you are not having, it's okay. And then take a piece of paper and see what I am doing. I have just take a strip like this and apply Fevicol. See, I have pasted. The pocket of my bag is ready. Now apply Fevicol and paste it. And then take a piece of glitter sheet, again Fevicol and stick it and let it dry for 10 minutes. Till then we will make side pockets of our bag. So we were having this piece of paper and apply Fevicol and make it stick. Okay. Wipe the extra Fevicol and keep it aside. See. Okay. Then we were having a cap. You can take a bottle cap also and draw a circle. Cut this circle. Now fold this circle into half. Fold it and then cut it from the center. We need only half circle. Then fold it and make a small cone. And this will be also the side pocket of your mini bag. Cut this ribbon from the center. we will paste it behind this. First, and then start pasting it. Hold it for 2-3 minutes. Now I am done with the pasting and we will decorate our bag. I am using these stones. You can use your mother's bindi also. See? Now keep it aside and take this. And again the small piece of that ribbon. Apply Fevicol. Paste it and make a small circle. It is done. And then again apply Fevicol and paste it on the top. So children, my bag is ready.